Today we've got a 2015 model Toyota RAV4. It's got the 2.2 diesel engine and roughly 83,000 miles on the clock. Now, as part of the service on this Toyota, I'm going to be changing the diesel filter, which is situated down here. This is the housing and it's underneath that. Right, I haven't done one of these before, so I'm just going to get stuck in and see how it goes. I'm planning on taking off the 4 pipes with the hoses, 1, 2, 3, 4, and unbolting it, lifting it up and out, although I'm not sure whether we have to take this off as well. Got one multi-plug down there which needs disconnecting as well. Oh, right, so that just slides backwards and it comes out of its holder. There should be a little tab somewhere. Oh, there it is. A little bit difficult to, not much space in that, that's it. So all you have to do is push down that tab there and pull it apart. So that's disconnected. That's for the sensor which fits in the bottom of the filter. Right, these clips, well, they come off quite easily. I think I'll put a paint dot on one of these back hoses because it looks like they could go either way. Whereas the top ones, it's quite obvious which one goes on which side. Just put a mark on there and on there, so I don't get them muddled up. Then I'll grab some pliers and see if I can ease these pipes off. Now, I might have some plastic plugs that I can put into these pipes to stop fuel going everywhere. I'll see if I can find those in a moment. Just get them loose first. Yeah, it's coming off. Get that one wriggle. It's a little bit difficult to see what's going on down the back there, but it is a 4th hose, exactly the same as the others. Yeah, that's moved. Right, I'll see if I can find some grommets, some plugs to go in those pipes. Right, hopefully. Oh yeah, perfect. An assortment of plugs and bungs and things. Quite handy to hang on to the bits and pieces that come with various components over the years. Need one more down there. Oh. That's it. Okay. I think, looking at it, there's just one 10mm bolt there. hopefully once that's removed it will lift up, but I might have to end up taking that scuttle panel off. Yes, that's it. Now, how's it going to come out? Oh, that's it. Right, okay, so we'll transfer that over to the vise and see if we can get the filter off. Right, so I've got this over my oil drainer. Hoping if I undo that, oh yeah, that'll drain down. I'll have to get a pair of grips to undo that sensor. So let's get this sensor out. It's tight. That's it. It's got a sensor in the bottom that probably ping up a message or a warning light if there's water in the filter, which is why it has that little bleed off down the bottom there. That's it. Right, I shall grab a pair of grips and see if we can get the filter off of the housing next. Yeah, one spin-on filter. So make sure this surface is clean, which it looks like it is. And it's got a little pool of diesel there, so I won't lubricate the O-ring seal. Normally I would put a smear of something on there. So depending on what brand you go for, these, as with anything, the prices can vary. This is quite a good brand I like to use. Roughly about, well, under £20. Whereas a genuine one, I should think you'd probably pay more than double that. I'll smear a bit of that diesel actually on the seal on the top here, at the bottom rather. I might give that a little blast off with some brake cleaner while it's out. So yeah, these only have to be up and up hand tight. I'll give that a little nip with some grips. That should do. And not forgetting to do up that little bleed off. So this housing has actually got a little primer on the top. So once the pipes are connected back up, I'll actually connect the intake and these two up, which are probably a return. I'm not too sure what the other one is. The one that feeds to the engine, I think I'll leave that disconnected while I prime it, so the air isn't getting forced down the pipe, and just keep an eye on it until some diesel starts coming out. Right, we'll get this back to the car and bolt it up. Right, let's see if we can wriggle this back in now. That's it. Relatively easy. Get the bolt back in there. Back in there. We've got a wire down the bottom for the sensor somewhere, hanging down here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Right, I'll just clip those together. And then the little locating thing goes in the hole, slide it along. That's in place. Right, pipes. Okay, so this is the back one, which I can't get the plug out. Oh, there it is. It's on, and this one's the one with the paint dots, which goes on there. And this one is the main inlet. You can tell by the arrow there going into the filter. That's it. They don't seem very tight, those clips. Right, so it might take some time, but hopefully, oh yeah, I can feel the difference now. It's pulling up diesel. Ah, well, that didn't take long at all. Okay. Plunge has gone hard now. Can't push that down anymore. Right, job done. Filters in. It might have been a little bit difficult for you to see what was going on, but it was fairly straightforward actually. All you've got is the 4 hoses, the 110mm bolt just there, the multi-plug down the bottom for the sensor, and then you can lift that up and wriggle it out. Right, now that that's all in and primed, I'll attempt to start it up. Hopefully it will run and keep running. Sometimes they run for a little while and then cut out and take a bit of cranking over to get the fuel back up and get it started. that's got a bit of air in there still. See if I can prime it a bit more. Alright. Hopefully that's got it now. But from what I can see, that all looks good. As with all jobs, all I'll do now is give it a run around the block, bring it back in and make sure there's no leaks. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully the video's been of some help for you, and if it has, please consider hitting like and subscribe. It will help our channel out no end. Cheers.